Notion AI is more than just a writing assistant. It's a powerful tool that can help you save time, stay organized, and get creative with your work. In this video, we'll share some of the best Notion AI tips and tricks to help you get the most out of this feature. First, use AI for writing and editing. Whether you need to draft emails, blog posts, or meeting notes, Notion AI can generate content quickly based on your prompts. You can also ask it to summarize long documents, highlight key points, or rewrite sentences for clarity, making it perfect for busy professionals or students. Another great trick is AI-assisted research. Notion AI can pull insights from your workspace or even external sources to create summaries, pros and cons lists, or brainstorm ideas. This makes planning projects, writing reports, or preparing presentations much faster. You can also use AI for formatting and structuring content. It can create tables, checklists, and outlines based on your input, helping you stay organized and productive. A lesser-known feature is task automation with AI, where you can generate action items or assign tasks from meeting notes, saving you time and reducing errors in follow-ups. Finally, don't forget to customize AI behavior. You can set the tone of your writing, whether formal, casual, or persuasive, and even instruct it to focus on specific details. The more precise your prompts, the better the output. Using these tips and tricks, Notion AI can become an indispensable part of your daily workflow, helping you work smarter, not harder. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tips and tutorials. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss an update, and leave a comment letting us know your favorite Notion AI trick.